Hey, my name is Omar, and this is Tamago and Friends. Today, we're making a Waffle House hash brown bowl. Start by grabbing some russet potatoes. Go ahead and peel those. Depending on the size of the potatoes, you might need 2 or 4. After peeling all of your potatoes, use a hand grater and grate them down. Be careful using a hand grater as you might cut yourself. After grating all of your potatoes, add your shredded potatoes inside of some cold water. Putting them inside of cold water prevents the oxidation process, preventing your potatoes from turning red. Additionally, setting your potatoes in cold water is going to take the starch out of the potato, which you'll need for your hash browns. While your potatoes are soaking inside of their water, go ahead and cook your breakfast sausage. Place the breakfast sausage inside of a hot skillet and cook all the way down and chop as you go along. Be looking for a temperature of 165 for a thorough cook. Once your sausage is done, set aside and get ready to cook your hash browns. Drain the shredded potatoes and then place on top of a paper towel or cheesecloth. Essentially, what you're going to do is pat your potatoes as dry as possible. You want no moisture there so that way you can get a very nice crisp fry. Once your potatoes are patted dry, go ahead and put your potatoes inside of a hot skillet with a little bit of vegetable oil and some butter. Cook your hash browns on one side for 3 to 5 minutes. As your potatoes are cooking, season them with whatever seasonings you want. I chose salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of oregano. Once your potatoes form a dark brown crust on the bottom, flip them. Cook the other side of your hash brown for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, remove and set inside of your bowl. Afterwards, using the residual oil from your hash browns, cook 1 or 2 eggs inside of the same pan. It should take no longer than 30 seconds to form your egg the way that you want to, whether it's runny or very firm. Remove the egg from the pan and season, place inside of your bowl. And there you have it, a Waffle House hash brown bowl with sausage and egg. Now you can make it smothered or covered however you really want to. It's your hash brown bowl. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and comment down below. What do you want to see us make next? My name is Omar, and this is Tamago and Friends. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.